Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create this Mandala Kids coloring book using Artistly, ChatGPT, and Canva. Alright, so I want to show you guys step by step on how I created this one, how I upload it to Canva, and how I upload it into KDP. So watch all this tutorial until the end, and if you have any question, just let me know down the comments. Alright, but before you leave guys, don't forget to like, share, and also especially subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to my computer. Now we are here in Artistly, and I'm just gonna show you guys that these are the kids mandala samples that I just created inside of Artistly. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how you can create this kids mandala for coloring. Alright, so now let's go to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna show you guys the prompt that I used to this. Okay, so go to ChatGPT, and here are the prompts that kids animal mandala prompt set that I just get it from ChatGPT. You can edit this one, you can change this one guys. Just type, create a kids mandala pages for coloring by the use of Artistly, to use Artistly. I just screenshot this guys, and then you can just edit it or change a little bit if you want. So for this tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you this cute animal circle mandala that I just created, which is this one in Artistly. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I created this. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT, and let's say, okay, dinosaur mandala. So I'm gonna copy this one. Just copy the prompt and then go to Artistly. Okay, from here we're going to use the AI art illustration. You can use also other designs, but in this tutorial I use the AI art illustrator. You can do experiment to other application here guys, or categories. So I'm gonna click this one, and I'm gonna choose the coloring page. There is another one here that you can choose, the adult coloring book, but since I'm creating for kids, so I just use the coloring page. Alright, and then now here we're going to paste the one that we just created in ChatGPT. So here my dimension is 1.1. This, so you can change this one guys whenever you want, but I'm gonna stick into this, and then I'm going to choose 4 quantity. Okay, and then generate the image, and let's see how it looks like inside of Artistly. Alright, there you go guys. So now you see it's generating different kinds of style, different kinds of dinosaur, that you can just download it and then create a book. Since we can, I'm not sure if we can create this one by one inside of Artistly, but I'm gonna take all of this into Canva so that I can choose the size that I want. So here is the result of that images. So what you're gonna do is just to bulk download this one and then take it to Canva, that I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. Alright, so this is how you do it. Okay, one more example. Let's go back again to ChatGPT. So let's say Arctic animals mandala. So I'm just gonna copy this prompt, copy, and go back to Artistly, click AI art illustrator, click the coloring page. Okay, paste your prompt here, set your dimensions, and make 4 quantity so that you can create as much pages as you want. Okay, so generate the images, and let's see how this Arctic animals looks like. Let's wait for seconds. Alright, so here you go guys. You see they're so cute. Okay, so you can just keep going, same process guys. So this is how it looks like, and if you don't like the image, you already know what to do here. You click this I button and you just regenerate the image if you don't like it. Okay, I'm not gonna do it here, it's just a tutorial. So I'm just showing you guys the how you can create a kids mandala for coloring inside of Artistly with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so in this tutorial, remember guys, I use the AI art illustrator, but you can try and experiment to use the AI designs, AI design assistant. You can use this one, but in this tutorial I'm focusing on AI art illustration, which is best for kids because they're gonna give us 4 different pages that we can use to create a book. All right, So now, once I finish this one, I'll keep going to the process, and I'm gonna show you guys how I send all of this into Canva. Alright, so now guys, we are here in Canva and we're going to create the size of our coloring book. Okay, so to do that, here on your left side, see the plus sign create, click this one, and scroll down here, custom size. Alright, so the size of our book is 8.5 by 8.5, so let's type here the box width, and on the height is the same. Okay, just make sure guys that this is in the inches. And then now we're going to create a new design. Click this one and let us wait for a sec. So this is the size of our coloring book that we're going to create. Okay, so in this one, I'm going to go here on the uploads because I need to upload all the images that we just created inside of Artistly, right? So click the uploads, go to your file, and find the images that you just uploaded from Artistly. And once you finish downloaded all the images that we just created in Artistly, now we're just going to drag one by one over here on this 8.5 by 8.5 size that we just created. Okay, so for my first page, because the cover is separated in this interior, I just make this one to just to an introduction, or this book belongs to, and then they can write your name. I'll just make sure that this book will fit into this margin. As you see, to check if you want to see the margin guys, you go to the file and go to the settings and make sure that you show the margin, show the print bleed. So this will guide you when you're putting your images here inside of Canva. Okay, so you just stretch this out just like that, and there you go. So this is the first page for the coloring book, and now we're going to add another page. Okay, by the way, before you keep doing this guys, I forgot to tell you that once you drag one images here, make sure that you leave another page as blank, so that even though when the kids color it, or they use markers or any coloring materials that they use, if it bleeds at the back, it will not affect the next page. Okay, so to be safe, just add a blank page, or you can put some whatever decorations that you want to put here. So let's say, for example, I'm just gonna create a design like okay, you can do this one guys, or you can just drag it here and just like that. Then you can use this as a blank page, so that when they color and it bleeds, it's okay. Okay, so anything that you want, you can just go here guys and take your time to choose whatever you want to add into your coloring book as a background, or as a blank page of your coloring book. Okay, so now I'll just keep going. Then I'm gonna create another page here. Then I'm going back to uploads, and then I'm going to upload the next one. Okay, so this is the first one, and then I'm going to stretch this here. Okay, got just like that. Oops. Okay, and then I'm just going to copy this one. I'm just gonna duplicate this, and I'll just send it down just like that. So make sure that it's alternate, right? So after this, then you can click another page, add another page. Okay, insert your image, make sure it's inside of this margin, stretch it out. Okay, so on and so forth. Just do the same thing guys, the same process until you finish all the images into your book. Okay, so I'll keep doing this guys until the end. I'll see you there. Alright, so now I'm done with all of these guys. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. First you have your this book belongs to, and then write your name, and this is how it looks like, your image, and then blank page at the back, to avoid the bleed, and this like that. So it should be alternate. Okay, so check before you upload it. There you go. Okay, everything is okay. Alright, so now once we finish, I already put some like thank you for doing this job. You did a great job. It's all up to you if you want to put that, but it's just for my own book. So once we finish with this, guys, we're going to click download it. Okay, so here on the share, click the share, and you're going to click the download. Here on the PNG, we have to choose the PDF print. Click this one, and you can, if you don't have a pro account, then you can use the RGB option, but if you have a pro account, then you can use the CMYK for professional printing. But this is also okay, you can use this one, but since I have my pro account, then I'm gonna use this one, and then I'm going to click download. Alright, let's wait for seconds after we finish, and once we finish downloading this one, we're going to KDP to upload this book. Alright guys, so now we are here in KDP and we're going to create a new book. Okay, so once you log into your KDP account here, create a new title or series, and then we're going to fill up all of this. Okay, since you put the language, it's English, your book title. Right, so now we're here on the description. Write the description of your book, and then here you own a copyright. Check this box. Okay, select the age, so this is from 3 to 5. Okay, just fill up all of this bar, guys, and then choose the categories, which is mine is children's book, and just action and adventure. Save categories, and then here, guys, you're going to write your keywords. Okay, alright, so once you finish your keywords, scroll down here, and then we're going to save and continue. Okay, next we're on the second page, which is paperback contents. We're going to click assign ISBN, so let's get the free one. Okay, now here on your print option, so I'm going to choose premium color with white paper. And then what is the size of your book? So I choose 8.5 by 8.5. There you go. And then the settings of the bleed, it's no bleed, and because it's coloring book, so I want to mate. And then we're going here. Here is where you're going to upload your manuscript, the interior of the book. So we're going to click upload, go to your files, and upload the one that we just created in Canva. Okay, I'm gonna click this one, and I'm going to open it, and now it's uploading. Let's wait 4 seconds while it's uploading, and then we're going to create our cover for the book. Alright, so now it's successfully uploaded, and then now we're going to launch our cover. So if you already have your cover ready-made, then you can just click this one and upload your cover. Since I don't have that, and I'm gonna use the KDP cover creator, so I'm gonna click this one. And here is the KDP cover creator. If you don't know how to use this, then watch my step by step from here until the end. Okay, so once you saw this one, you're gonna click continue, and I'm going to choose from my computer. From your computer, add the cover of your book. So I already prepared the cover of my book, so I'm gonna open it, and let's wait for seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to choose this one. Alright, so now after that, we're going to click this one, and then we're going to put your image if you want to, and then you're going to type your message if you want to. It's optional, right, guys? So it's up to you, whatever you want to put in here. You can also put images of your coloring book, so it's all up to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna change this images. I might put my face there, or you can put anything that you want. And then you can change the position. To do that, you can choose the color of the background of the book. You just click this one, just like that, guys. So you can choose any color you want. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and then I'm going to choose the layout. You can change the layout of your book. So am I gonna use okay, I'm just gonna use this one, and then I'm gonna change the here, and I'm gonna put my message. Okay, Alright, so here you guys, after you finish writing your message and your copyright, and you put your image or you put your logo, whatever you want to put in this, guys, it's all up to you. And then once you finish this one, you can click preview the cover of your book. Alright, so there is no more error, so this is how it looks like. So just save and submit. Click this one. Alright, there you go. So I think everything is okay. Here is my cover, and then we'll keep going here, guys. Say I generated, yes. So you should select which one do you use. So I can say I use ChatGPT, yeah. And then where did you use your image? So all of my image, so I will use Artistly. Just fill this up. Translation, no, there's no translation here. So we're going to launch the preview before we go to the next and save it into our KDP. So launch the previewer. From here we can see if we have any errors from our interior or cover page. Oh, okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys this before I fix it. I have error here. So once you see this, guys, that means you have an error, so you have to fix this. So this is number 65. You just click this one and you will see here there is a error. So what I'm gonna do is gonna fix this one. Okay, so I'll be back, guys, and I'm gonna fix this one. I'm going back to Canva and take out this margin. Alright, so now I upload a new one. I keep scrolling, and then I'm going to launch again the preview, and let's see if I fix it. Okay, launch the preview. Alright, so now I'd already fixed it, and as you see, guys, there's no more error. So if you see an error, all you're gonna do is just to go back and fix it and upload it again. So I want to see all of this, so which is the page 65. Okay, which is this one. So as you see, guys, everything is okay. There is no error. So I'm going back to here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to approve this. So if this is okay to you guys, you see the spelling, everything is okay, so I'm going to click approve. Alright, so now we are here on the paper rights and pricing. Let's keep going. Okay, we're going to save this and continue. Alright, so now we're going to set the price of our book. So the minimum is $10.33, so you can price your book, put the price, how much do you want. So we'll scroll down here, and then you're going to publish your book. I'm gonna click publish. There you go. So now my book is already published. No, it's not yet, but it's already, approved it. So we're just going to wait for 72 hours to see if there's anything wrong or error inside of my book. So once you see this, guys, you just close this, and you will see on your dashboard here that your book is under review. So once your book has no more problem or error, then you will see this. It is on live, like what you see to other of my books. Alright, so this is how you create your book from Artistly, take it to Canva, and then upload it to KDP. Alright, so I hope you learned something from this, guys. And before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to all my subscribers and supporters, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.